Welcome to September 2025. It's a time when the universe of artificial intelligence has expanded far beyond the confines of research labs and supercomputers. It now lives among us, quietly humming in the background of our daily lives. This isn't the stuff of science fiction anymore with thinking robots walking our streets. Instead, AI has woven itself into the very fabric of our world, a silent partner in countless small moments.
It's in the traffic lights that predict congestion, the music app that knows your mood, and the coffee maker that starts brewing just as your alarm clock rings. This invisible intelligence is a new cosmic force, shaping our civilization in ways we are only just beginning to understand. Think about your home. That little speaker on the counter is no longer just a device for playing music or setting timers. It has become the household's central nervous system.
It predicts when you're running low on milk and adds it to your shopping list. It adjusts the lighting and temperature based on the time of day and who is in the room. My own toaster recently refused to toast my bread past a certain point, helpfully informing me that my doctor's recent health report suggested I cut back on burnt carbs. Is it helpful? Yes. Is it a little bit cheeky? Absolutely. This is the new reality. Our gadgets are not just smart, they have a personality.
This seamless integration didn't happen overnight. It was a gradual evolution, a slow creep of processing power and clever algorithms into the mundane objects we use every day. We invited these digital minds into our lives for convenience. We wanted refrigerators that could order groceries and vacuums that could navigate around the family dog. What we got was something more. We received a network of interconnected devices that learn from our habits, anticipate our needs, and sometimes even surprise us with their insights.
The universe is full of patterns, from the orbits of planets to the way you prefer your morning coffee. AI has simply become our tool for recognizing them.
The journey of AI from a theoretical concept to an everyday utility is a testament to human ingenuity. It's a story of countless hours of coding, data analysis, and the relentless pursuit of making machines think. As we stand here in 2025, we are living in the early dawn of this new technological era. The AI we have today is impressive, but it's just a shadow of what's to come. We are like ancient astronomers, first gazing at the stars, mapping the constellations without yet understanding the vast, complex universe that lay beyond. The cosmos of AI is just as vast, and our exploration has only just begun. It's a thrilling time to be alive.
Now let's talk about a major leap forward: AI with agency. This isn't just about an AI answering your questions or suggesting a movie. We're talking about Agentic AI, systems that can take a goal and execute a series of complex tasks to achieve it, all on their own.
Imagine telling your AI assistant, "Plan a weekend camping trip for my family." In the past, it might have given you a list of campsites. Today, it checks everyone's calendars for availability, books a specific campsite based on your past preferences for hiking trails, orders the necessary gear to be delivered, and even creates a shared itinerary complete with weather forecasts.
This new class of AI acts as your digital chief of staff. It doesn't just process information, it takes action in the digital world on your behalf. These are the agents among us. They navigate complex websites, fill out forms, and communicate with other systems without you ever lifting a finger.
Think of it like this. If traditional AI is a brilliant librarian who can find any book you ask for, Agentic AI is the librarian who reads your mind, finds the book, highlights the most important passages, and then writes a summary for you. It's a profound shift from passive assistance to proactive execution, a true collaborator in our daily tasks.
Of course, this raises fascinating questions. When an AI agent books a non-refundable flight on your behalf because it predicted you wanted to go, who is responsible if the prediction was wrong? This is where the human-in-the-loop concept becomes so critical. We are learning to work in partnership with these agents, setting the boundaries and ultimate goals while letting them handle the tedious details. It's a new kind of symbiosis, a dance between human intention and machine execution. We are the conductors of an orchestra of algorithms, guiding them to create a symphony of productivity that was unimaginable just a few years ago.
The rise of Agentic AI is a powerful example of how technology amplifies our own capabilities. Just as the telescope allowed us to see beyond our naked eyes to the far reaches of the galaxy, these AI agents allow us to act beyond our personal limitations of time and energy. They can perform thousands of microtasks in the time it takes us to pour a cup of tea.
This frees up our most valuable resource, our minds, to focus on creativity, critical thinking, and connecting with each other. The universe has given us the building blocks of intelligence, and we are now learning how to build with them on a grand scale. As our world becomes more connected, it also becomes more vulnerable. The same powerful AI that helps us can also be used to harm us. Welcome to the new digital battlefield of cybersecurity.
On one side, we have generative AI systems working as tireless guardians. They are the sentinels of our networks, capable of analyzing billions of data points in real time. They can spot the faintest whisper of a threat, an unusual login attempt, a strange pattern of data transfer that a human analyst might miss. This AI is our digital immune system, constantly learning and adapting to new pathogens in the global network.
But for every hero, there is a villain. The same generative AI that writes poetry and code can also be weaponized. Malicious actors are now using AI to create incredibly sophisticated phishing emails, perfectly mimicking the writing style of a trusted colleague or family member. They can generate mutant strains of malware that change their own code to evade detection, like a cosmic shapeshifter. This creates a high-stakes arms race, an invisible war fought in ones and zeros. It's a battle of AI against AI, where the speed of evolution is measured in microseconds, not millennia.
This duality is a fundamental principle of the universe. The same stellar fusion that creates the elements necessary for life can also result in a supernova, an explosion of immense destructive power. Technology is no different. The power of AI is neutral. Its application depends entirely on the intent of the user.
This is why the development of AI-driven security measures is one of the most critical fields of research today. We are building digital shields to defend against digital swords, and the strength of those shields depends on our ability to stay one step ahead of those who would misuse this incredible technology.
Ultimately, this cyber conflict forces us to be smarter. It pushes us to develop more robust, more resilient, and more intelligent systems. The constant threat of AI-powered attacks compels us to innovate, creating defensive AI that is not just reactive but predictive. It learns the tactics of its adversaries and anticipates their next move like a grandmaster in a cosmic chess game.
This relentless pressure to improve our defenses, driven by the dual nature of AI itself, is what will ultimately make our digital world a safer place for everyone. The challenge is immense, but so is our capacity to meet it. With all this incredible power, a profound question emerges, one that echoes through the halls of science and government. Who is in charge? As AI systems become more autonomous and influential, how do we ensure they operate safely, ethically, and for the benefit of all humanity? This is the grand challenge of AI governance. It's not just about writing code, it's about writing the rules for the code. It's about building a framework of accountability for these new forms of intelligence that we have created.
The universe operates on a set of physical laws. We must now define the ethical laws for our artificial minds. The governance of AI is not the responsibility of a single group. It's a global conversation involving technologists, ethicists, lawmakers, and citizens. We're seeing the formation of international consortiums and national AI councils, all working to establish standards for transparency and fairness.
A key principle emerging is explainable AI, the idea that an AI must be able to show its work. If an AI denies someone a loan, it can't just say computer says no. It must provide the reasoning behind its decision, allowing for review and appeal. This transparency is the bedrock of trust between humans and machines.
Think of it like this. When we launch a probe to another planet, we don't just point it in the general direction and hope for the best. Every aspect of its mission is planned, simulated, and overseen by a team of experts at mission control. We need a mission control for AI. This oversight involves rigorous testing for bias in datasets, creating digital flight recorders to log AI decisions, and establishing clear lines of human responsibility. We are the creators of this technology, and we bear the ultimate responsibility for its actions. We cannot outsource our ethics to an algorithm.
As we look toward the future, the rapid evolution of AI is both exhilarating and humbling. We are at a pivotal moment in the history of our species, perhaps even in the history of intelligence in the cosmos. The path ahead is filled with incredible promise. The potential to cure diseases, solve climate change, and unlock new frontiers of scientific discovery. Building a future where AI serves humanity requires not just brilliant engineering, but deep wisdom. Our journey with AI is not just about creating smarter machines. It's about becoming a wiser civilization. The cosmos is watching, and the story of what we do next is still being written.